What was that song?
That's Uncle Joe.
Ah.
Love me. We're a happy family. We're a great big hug. Because you don't you love me too?
Lovely.
We will rock you. Sing it. We will rock you. Sing it.
Are you saying sing it from the song, or are you asking me to sing it?
Asking you to sing it.
Okay. But you're a young man, playing in the street, gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, big disgrace, kicking your can all over the place.
We will rock you. Are you the hero that sings this?
No, I'm Freddie Mercury.
No.
Yes.
Freddie Mercury.
He's the lead singer of Queen.